Hi guys, I want to show you some safe techniques for carving towards yourself and to get a great result. Two really easy techniques that I've picked up is one with the carving knife to clamp it between your fingers and your palm, and you're using this action to roll the knife into your work. And so you're using your thumb as a stop to bring the knife towards your hand. But because you're connected your work to your hand, you cannot go past a certain point. So you can have that as a safety stopper almost. So for instance, okay, so another is to push the knife away from yourself. So this way is connecting your knife to your thumb and levering off your thumb. That's a very strong carving technique. You can put a lot of pressure on your knife. It's very safe. When you leave the cut, you're not flying off because your hands are all connected. Your knife, your work, and both hands are all connected. And you can quickly and safely remove material. I'll show you again with a smaller piece of timber and work. So again, and choose so this myrtle is a lot more dense and it requires a little bit more strength, so you can just take a little bit less material off every time. But even when I'm applying quite a bit of pressure and the knife comes out the cut, it doesn't prevent the knife from going any further back, because that's as far as I can move the knife. And don't forget, you don't want to push your thumb into the knife, you're pushing the knife into the stop. So now I want to show you how to use a gouge safely. We're just going to hollow out this inside of the spoon here. And again, I want to grab the gouge down quite low, and I've connected my hands together with the work. So I'm always, even when I change position, I am never leaving this hand just do its work by itself. If you wanted to get a bit more leverage, you could put that on your workbench or secure it somewhere in a vise, and then you can lock your elbow in to your body, and that could be another safe way to do it. But you still risk jumping out and you don't have as much control as if you joined your work together. So you can roll your work into the blade as well. And hopefully that will give you some some suggestions on how to start to do some safe and efficient and fun carving. Thank you.